Father got something to show you, I'll tell you.
Okay.
You know what this?
So today I'm opening some fan mail.
Fan mail it is, yes.
Yep.
From Rodney at Shishiji, Newfoundland.
Rodney from Shishiji, Newfoundland.
Hey, you can spell
Tell
Shishiji.
Rodney that's the first word you learned to say.
Yeah, Rodney, that was the first word I've ever learned to say. So,
Dad taught you.
Open up, see what it is.
so I'm gonna unbox it. I know how to.
Oh,
I'm getting a little hand
take one of these scissors.
with the dang packaging.
What's in it? Oh, let's see what's in it.
So he mailed me my own GoPro.
What?
Yep. A photo, and I think this is like, I'm not sure what it is. It's a GoPro. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And goodbye. Thank you, Rodney.
The next time we're out doing a video, you can take again on the video when you use the GoPro.
Next time I make some video, you're gonna know that it's a GoPro.
Now we can read the postcard, Esther.